Hey everybody, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 cash. Today, just in, we got a beautiful 2018 Toyota Corolla. It's white in color. It's still under factory powertrain warranty. It's only got 49,000 miles on it. It's got a backup camera, in-lane guidance system. It's got Michelin tires on it with decent tread. It's an LE model. As you can see, there's the little backup camera. Huge trunk space. It's also got the spare tire and jack in there. Doesn't look like that spare tire's ever been out. It's still got the lines on it from it being brand new. Great little gas efficient four-door sedan. Close to 40 miles a gallon on the highway. Averages a little over 30, I believe, if I remember right. Power windows, power locks. Gray cloth interior. Corolla branded floor mats there. You got some little storage here. Here, a couple of cup holders. It is an automatic. You've got your USB and auxiliary ports there. Let's go ahead and start her up. As you can see, she's got 49,000 miles. Starts right up, no hesitation. No warning lights. Does have a touch screen also. Backup camera right there. Dash is in good shape. Got your air controls there. Cruise control here. See if it'll focus. There you go. Here's your in-lane guidance system. It's also got frontal radar, which will adjust the speed of the vehicle if you've got cruise control on there so that you stay the appropriate distance behind the car in front of you. Over there you got your volume controls. You got your auto headlights, power mirrors, etc. The technology on these new cars is amazing. Lots of leg room in the back here. 3 seat belts in the back. 5 passenger capacity. Oops, let me pop the hood here while I'm on this side. As you can see, the floors are in great shape. Headliner's in good shape. Power windows, power locks on the passenger side. It does have all the original books and owner's manuals in the glove compartment. Hood's clean, or pardon me, the engine bay is clean. Little 4-cylinder. Love to get you approved on this vehicle. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.